books and playing games when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky.
A cave full of traps. How about that fancy paw work, huh? You scared of my mad skills? You should be. Kaboom! Head! Lucky! Kablam! Yeah, that was quite a hit. Come back, ball! It's rolling away! Bucky! No, I'm rolling away! Grab the ball! That hurt. Really? Whoa! This looks like it might be a pretty deep cave. You can't go down there. You said it yourself. It's a cave! Yeah, it's a cave. So what? So what? Caves are nothing but danger holes full of traps. They're full of snares and tripwires from floor to ceiling. It's the truth. But what about our ball? Well, we'll have to go in and get it. But not until we've been properly trained. Caves are dark and filled with danger. Full of pitfalls, strange and stranger. Trapdoors, big rocks, pointy sticks. Countless kinds of dirty tricks. But safe we shall remain, as long as we train. Bjorn, question. What waits for us in the cave? Traps, of course. There are two types of traps. Dangerous and crazy no way dangerous. But the absolute worst, most torturous trap ever invented is the diabolical room of tickles. So how do we prepare for all this? Here, I built us a super train-o-matic cave simulator. Filled with traps of different kinds to train our bodies and our minds. Till finally prepared and brave, we'll make our way into the cave. All right, ready for this? Enter the cave. Keep those eyes open. Come on. That was just a simple mallet trap, Bjorn. Duck and it swings right by. Stay alert. First-rate ducking. Not good. That's a level 1 basher. You just jump over it. Let me show you. Just like that. Got it? Just like that. And what's that? It's a super mattress clapper-o-matic-tron. Yeah! Up and over! Get ready, Bjorn! Jump and dodge! Crocodile chasm! Swinging doomlong! Nicely done! The orb of squish, and ball! The swapperoonie, victory! All right! Wait a second. What's the matter, Bucky? We forgot something! The room of tickles! Hey, not my feet! I'm gonna be sick! All right, Bjorn. Let's go down there and get our ball back. Okay, here I go. We're really prepared. No need to be scared. Wait! Bucky! There! Our ball! Hang on! Don't move! Hear that? It's footsteps! If anybody says fee-fi-fo-fum, I'm out of here! Bucky! There's someone coming! Do we actually need our ball? I mean, yeah, it's fun, but how fun really? Huh? Franny? So what are you doing in our danger cave?
Oh, hi there, you two. What are you guys doing down here in my basement?
Wait, are you telling us that this is your basement?
Where's the dangerous cave? Where are all the traps? I don't think there are any traps down here. Just my pickles and yummy jelly and stuff. That's all. Hey, do you guys want to come upstairs and have some nice fruit punch with me?
Bjorn?
Yeah, why not?
So, Bucky, was all of that training really for nothing?
I know where there's a creepy cave way out in the deep woods.
Really? Then what are we sitting around for? Bjorn, hey, where are our ropes and backpacks? Let's go! Adventure is waiting for us! Just please, no more tickle rooms. The bear up there. I spy with my little eye high, high up in the sky, the work of a furry genius guy. Now I just need to build a super elevator. They'll say, mercy, mercy, I declare. Is that a bear way up there? It works! Gotta tell my buddies. Yum-ba-ba-bum-bum-bum! This is the first surprise. I built us a deluxe extra sweet treehouse. It can be our new headquarters.
That is the coolest thing.
Uh-huh. But how are we supposed to get up there? It's not like we have wings. Easy peasy-o-matic. Say hello to surprise number 2.
I really like surprises a lot.
In that case, prepare for liftoff. What does that mean? Bucky! Ta-da! Welcome to the sky.
So awesome! What a lovely view. And we're so high up.
That's true. Very high up. I built it in the tallest tree I could find. Franny, look, you can see your house.
Where? Oh yeah, it looks so teensy-weensy.
Bucky, how do we get back down? Back down? That's the easiest part. Rope! One of Bearkind's most useful inventions. That's how we get down.
Ooh, yay!
Bjorn, hey, it's your turn! Come on, I want to show you the third surprise. You guys go on. I'll catch up with you later. I'm going to stay here and enjoy the dizzy heights. I mean the pretty sights. So, what? Are you scared of coming down? Of course not. Don't make me laugh. Bjorn's kind of scared of heights. All right, we'll help you get back on the ground. Give me a hand with this, Franny. We're building the Great Pyramid of Leaves. Come on, just jump, Bjorn. You'll be fine. Not a chance. I'd like to see you jump from this high up. All right, hang on then. Time to be awesome. Here you go. Safe as can be. Thanks, Bucky, but I should stay up here a little longer. You can just bring me food sometimes. No way. Bucky doesn't abandon his friends. Oh, I can fix this problem. I just need our hot air balloon. That's it. Just stay put.
Bjorn, are you honestly afraid of heights?
Afraid of heights? No, not at all. I'll get down when I'm good and ready. But first, I'll wait for this wind to die down.
Bjorn, help me!
Franny, get down from there! I can't look.
I'm so scared!
Franny, just hang on!
Somebody! Help!
Franny! Bjorn, hey! Here I come! Your rescue is near!
Oh, please, help!
Bucky! Help Franny! Huh? What? Oh, Franny! I must save them all! Just hold on! I'm flying as fast as I can! Almost there! Hang on, Franny! I've got you! I hope! Whoa, wrong way! Stupid wind! Wait for me! Whatever you do, don't fall! I'll just circle the earth and come at you from the other side! Franny? Are you all right?
Well, I've been better.
I've got to think of something. Yes, did it. Don't look down, please. I can do this. Gotcha, all right. Are we dead? Hey, guys, relax. I'm back. Jump, Franny, I'll catch you. Franny, jump! Thanks, Bucky, but we rescued ourselves.
You should have seen him. It was awesome.
while, guys.
Yeah! This is just great! Come on! You still haven't seen the third surprise! It's a high tower for diving! It's crazy high! How high? Like cloud high or moon high? Bjorn, come on! You beat your fear of heights!
I'm just worried that it won't be high enough.
Then I'll build a new one, twice as tall!
New rules.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all the numbers. Ready or not, guys, here Franny comes. I'm gonna find you. I found you really quick. I'm amazing at this game. The bucket was a nice try, though.
Well, next time, I'm gonna find the best hiding place ever, and you'll never find me at all. Robber in the deep, dark night. You better stay out of my sight.
I'm gonna find you. Aha! Nope, doesn't count. I can't be seen. What do you mean? Yes, you can. I'm looking right at you now.
Yeah, Bucky, I see you too.
Can't you see I'm standing on one leg? That means I'm invisible to the one who's in.
Where'd you hear that nonsense? There's no rule that goes like that.
Oh, yes, there is. It's a secret rule that's only for advanced hide-and-seekers. I made it back to home base. Looks like Bucky wins again. All right, Bjorn, you're it.
And now, what? You're just invisible whenever you want?
As long as I'm standing on one leg. Yeah.
Well, I don't really feel like playing hide-and-seek any longer.
Why don't we try freeze tag for a little while, guys?
Sounds fun. Come on, Bjorn, you be it first. You'll never catch me.
Franny, I gotcha!
I'm frozen! I'm frozen! Totally covered in ice! Frigid! Frozen! Icy!
Looks like I've got you trapped.
I beg to differ. As long as I'm sitting on the ground and pulling on my ear, I'm protected against tagging.
It sounds like you made that up.
It's from the Professional Freeze Tag League. It's right in the rule book. The ear hold rule.
I've never heard of an ear hold rule.
Then I don't know what you've been playing your whole life, but it certainly wasn't actual freeze tag.
Let's play dodgeball instead.
If you get hit, then you become it! Dodge this!
The magical pony likes macaroni.
I got you, Bucky. You're it!
Oh, no, I'm not it. Because I just said the magical pony likes macaroni. And because I said that, the hit doesn't count. You're it again.
Come on. Bucky, there's no rule that goes like that.
Oh, yes, there is. Everybody knows it but you guys.
Oh, yeah? You can go play with all your crazy rules by yourself.
Great! I would love to, you noobs. I could invent a better playmate with my paws tied behind my back. Except not really, because I need my paws to hold tools and stuff. Done! Your only purpose is to play with me, you got it? We'll start with hide and seek. You close your eyes and count to 5. Then, come and find me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Engaged seeking protocols. Your location has been detected. Really? That was pretty fast. Let's play another round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Engaged seeking protocols. Your location has been detected. Again? That was so fast! It isn't fun when you always find me so quickly. All right, let's try a little freeze tag, and you're it. Target invasive. Engage countermeasure protocols. Now I recite the words, tag, you are it. But this isn't fair. You're completely too fast. Forget freeze tag. Let's play dodgeball. Engaging dodgeball protocols. Target acquired. Dodging the ball would be recommended. Hey! That is why this game... Hey! Give me a break! ...is called dodgeball. Ah, that's it! The magical pony likes macaroni! Giant badger in a tutu. Giant what? What does that mean? The statement, giant badger in a tutu, renders the statement, the magical pony likes macaroni, ineffective. You have one reminder for today. Play hide and seek with your good friends. Do what? Hide and seek with my good friends.
I made it back to home base!
Well, I kind of almost caught you.
Hey, guys, can I play with you?
We missed you, Bucky. I guess you can play with us again.
You're not going to invent a bunch of crazy new rules again, are you?
No, I'm not. Then it's time for freeze tag, guys. And Bucky, you're it!
Wait, the magical pony likes macaroni!
Bucky, not that again.
Only kidding, I'm playing fair. I promise, just real rules.